In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the language on the Facebook mobile app on Android. So once you've launched the Facebook app, you want to go ahead and tap on those three stripes at the top right underneath the messenger icon. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you have an option that says settings and privacy. Tap on that. And then under your time on Facebook, you have the option of language. Tap on language, and now you can select from any language that you would like to change your Facebook to. So mine is on device language. If I want to change it, let's say to Afrikaans, now my Facebook has been changed to Afrikaans, and you can confirm it's been changed. It is in Afrikaans. So if you would like to go ahead and change it back to English, you tap on the three stripes again. You go down, and you will need to understand the language, kind of figure it out if you don't. Settings and privacy, language, or in that case tall, and then I switch it back to English. So that is how you change the language on the Facebook mobile app on Android. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.